The basic license is the free version of the software and what you'll be able to access when you download the demonstration mode. You can determine which license you have by clicking on the key icon in the top right corner. You can see that ObserVIEW has a basic, advanced, modal, shock response spectrum, order analysis, and fatigue damage spectrum license. If you hover over the question mark icon, you can see the features of each license. In basic, we can view stored data, we can edit waveform data, perform basic data analysis, export data, and view associated GPS data. First, let's open a file or a recording. I can select a recording, a project, or a file. ObserVIEW offers several example VFW files. The available graph types in the basic license are the acceleration, displacement, and velocity time waveform, and the fast Fourier transform, or FFT graph. To add a new graph to this main graph view, we can select Add Graph dropdown from the main ribbon and select from one of the available traces. We can also interact with these graphs in the Traces pane to the right by selecting the Add Remove Traces option. We can interact with the user interface here. Within the graph, we can use the mouse scroll to zoom in or out of the graph. We can also right-click and hold and drag over a section to zoom in, and double-click to auto-scale the graph. With any of the graphs in ObserVIEW, we can copy them and paste them into a word processor, such as Microsoft Word. To do so, we just need to select within the graph, right-click and select copy, or Control+C, click within the word processor and paste. The editor is a feature of the basic license, which we can use to edit our data before we begin analysis. In the editor, we can select, edit, and append data. To select data, we can use the Quick Select option or the Start and End selection. From there, we can cut, copy, or paste data. We can also use the Append option to add one or multiple files to the end of our data. Finally, when we're done with editing our waveform, we can export the data. The export option includes some items that are specific to the advanced license, which we will discuss in the next video.